What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And if you've been here for a while, you will know that when it comes to getting the most done, being efficient, working, sometimes you need to come up with a custom solution. It might not be offered by the tool company. It might not be endorsed by the tool company, but doggone it, sometimes you just gotta go off the grid, do something custom to get the most done. In a previous video, we showed off our Tower of Power. You can check it out over here, but here's the deal. Sometimes when you create a solution to one problem, a new problem arises. Today, we're going to talk about the problem and come up with another solution, a custom one. You're not going to be able to live without. It's coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. All right, here's the reality of it. If you're running a contracting business or you have a bunch of contractors that work for you, or you got a bunch of tradespeople, they come back to the shop, come back to the office, they want to charge their batteries, get ready for the next day or over the weekend, whatever it is, they're going to get it done. As you can see here, we have a whole bunch of batteries, a bunch of empty bays on the charger because a lot of people believe that once a battery's charged, if you leave it on the charger, it will continue to trickle charge to a negative effect and cause damage to the batteries themselves, okay? Here's the reality. Everybody charges their batteries, and as you can see, I'm getting them out of the way because we have a mess of batteries. This is just some of the batteries. What happens is, people that need to charge their batteries will come back and they'll dump them here at the bottom. The batteries to be charged end up down here, and then here's the second problem. The batteries that are also charged end up down here. And now we have a problem of we don't know which batteries are charged or what is charged, what needs to be charged. So then what do you have to do? You got to take your batteries, put it back on, and then you can see this one has to be charged, right? So you're like, oh, okay, that one has to be charged. I'll leave that on there. Then you grab this battery, you pop it on. Oh, that one was charged. Okay, great. Okay, what I'm trying to illustrate is you end up with a mess. All right, so what can you do? If you're in the pack out system, what you can do is once you have figured out your batteries are charged, you can pop them in the crate. Here's what I have noticed when we use the crate. What happens is that everything ends up all jumbled up in there. By the time we fill this up, it's all jumbled up. I need to try, I'm going to be running a tool that takes HO batteries. Oh, okay, well, the HO battery's underneath. Okay, or I need a CP 2.0 or a CP 3.0. Oh, that's on top, that's on the bottom. It just becomes another organizational nightmare. It's a pain in the butt. So if you're in a shop setting, or you might have a vehicle or a trailer, I have a solution. It's a custom solution. I'm gonna show you what it is. The custom solution was sent to us from a friend. His name is Justin S. Greenlee, okay? He's probably here on the YouTube platform. Maybe he will weigh in. Maybe he will share with you where you can get your custom solution. You might be able to find him over on Twitter or somewhere else. Maybe he could help us out. This time, I've remembered the person's name. And this is what he sent to us. He sent us these 3D printed adapters for batteries that could be mounted anywhere. Now, if you built yourself your own Tower of Power, instead of having chargers everywhere, maybe you can mount these adapters onto the Tower of Power. We have, to illustrate how these work, we have a little piece of wood back there that we're going to be mounting on the wall. I'm going to see how these work and potentially order a whole bunch more. Now, these are mounted with screws. We have M12 solutions here. We have M12 solutions here that also mount with screws. We have another one that has a really awesome feature. I'm going to show you in a second. Let me mount these just so you have an idea. Just want to give a little pilot. You know what we could do? Just for demonstration purpose. Should be plenty. We're going to go opposite. We're going to put those in the corners. Look at that. Look how well this has been printed. Look at that. Now, it feels pretty stable. This 12 amp hour battery is already charged. All you do, boom, pop it right on. Just an FYI, the way the 12 mounts, I don't know if it's all of them. And for all of you that are watching, if you're going to order these, you might want to mount these on a 2x4, okay, that sticks out away from the wall, because it looks as though I'm getting a little interference. If you mounted it to the top of your spacer, and you can cut this as thin as you want, it doesn't matter. I'm just doing this for example purpose, right? Let's pre-drill a couple. Take that off, swap this out. Now that it's mounted, you'll see that we can pop the battery on, and now we don't have interference at the wall. Okay? So keep that in mind. For Justin, he can make these a little bit deeper, but I don't know, maybe that would take more material and drive the cost up of this. Maybe it is just better to mount some type of cleat or something on the wall like this, and then we're not going to have interference. And this is the largest of the batteries. If this battery fits, like they'll all fit. And it's nice and secure. And here's the deal. If you get enough of these, you could segregate all of your 12s, all of your 8s, all of your 6s, okay? And you could have your charged row. This is the thing. You could also, instead of putting all of those batteries, let's just say you had a giant charge station like this, you could also mount with a sign, to be charged. Over here, charged. This way you have them all segregated in the workshop. You know what's charged, what needs to be charged. Maybe you don't have as many chargers. Maybe you need to keep them separate because you're needing to charge only 1 or 2 batteries at a time. This will help you be more organized. And if you're more organized, you can work more efficiently. Now let's take a look at the M12 solution. It doesn't necessarily need to be mounted in any particular way. I don't think that there would be any interference because it's going in that direction. Let's just test it out. I really like these. Drill a few pilot holes. All right. And then boom, your battery, wow, look at that, pretty cool. So you have a way to organize even your M12 batteries, and it fits in there nice and tight. Here's the deal, I promised everybody a solution that would help you organize, but it wouldn't necessarily have to be, did I say that before? It wouldn't need to be mounted like this permanently with screws or fasteners. Here it is. Let's just say you're up in the rafters working somewhere, and maybe you needed to bring your essentials up with you. You brought like a shockwave kit with driver bits. Maybe you were switching through fasteners or drill bits. Okay, in a previous video, we showed you that there's a solution for these shockwave kits. You can go over here to check it out, all right? If you wanted to find out more about how you can, while working with metal, put this securely next to you, on a beam, on a girder, something so it's within reach, okay? Go and check that out. Pretty awesome, and it's on there securely. Go find out about that. But let's just say you needed to bring some essentials up with you. They needed to be within reach, okay? But you didn't want to keep them in a bag. You're up high. You wanted to just situate them. Boom, now you can, okay? Now you have a spare battery or multiple spare batteries within your reach on the job, because this M12 adapter has magnets on it. And if you like magnetism, then do us a favor, smash the like button, because if you were like me and you like custom solutions that could make you more effective on the job, get the work done faster, organize yourself, it's going to make you more money. And if you like that, then smash the like button, because it's free for you to do. There's no reason for you not to smash the like button. Now, here's the deal. I don't know the cost on these. They were sent over to us by Justin. He wanted us to check them out. I gotta tell you, Justin, really awesome, and we appreciate that. Hit Justin up if you wanted to find out about maybe purchasing these from him. okay? I know there are some other creators that also do 3D printing that making things like this. I gotta tell you, it's really awesome how so many people are starting small businesses like these. They're doing side hustle or creating stuff to make contractors, tradespeople more efficient, more effective. They're delivering you value, right? And in the meantime, they're making a little bit of money. I think it's really awesome. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.